arrive in style with this Dodge 2020 Challenger RT Scat Pack 50th N. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are black 50th logo Napa Alcantara seats, 50th anniversary limited edition included, body color shaker hood scoop marper shaker hood satin black hood paint marper shaker intake under hood shaker decal 50th anniversary numbered IP badge, manufacturer's statement of origin, driver convenience group included, blind spot and cross path detection high intensity discharge headlamps power multi-function fold-away mirrors, engine, 6.4 LV8 SRT Hemi MDS, technology group included, rain-sensitive windshield wipers auto high-beam headlamp control, radio, Uconnect 4C nav with 8.4 display included Sirius XM Traffic Plus 5-year Sirius XM Travel Link service GPS navigation 5-year Sirius XM Traffic